We work hard for the whole week and yearn for the weekend. For what? Rest? But what does rest really mean here? Sleeping off the whole day? And what happens then? Well, I have never experienced this, but I can really imagine how it would feel. Because for me, the day I oversleep a little is a very lazy day. Everything is delayed, the day flies by in laziness, and then ends with a sad feeling that I did nothing the whole day. होता है ना ऐसे? Then what does rest mean? Rest from the routine maybe? Change. Now what is change? Something that doesn't happen regularly is change, right? Change is doing something different than what you usually do. So, for a change, we set out on a Sunday. Bored of staying behind the closed doors, knowing that it was not wise to go out in the public in this COVID situation, we set out for a long drive. Fortunately, we went on this drive after the rains. Though we didn't get out of the car much as a precaution against COVID, the mesmerizing view all around was truly refreshing. We could witness amazing scenic views of the mighty mountain ranges of the Western Ghats. The misty mountains and the lush green hills were a treat to the eyes. The serene and calm surroundings felt very soothing. Yes, the deep valley on one hand and the tall mountains on the other. Dense forests everywhere, the cloud-covered hilltops, the roads curving along the mountains surrounded by marvelous shades of green. What a view! Ah, perfect. For a change, we were away from our laptops, away from the office work, away from the household chores, and most importantly, away from our cell phones. We were lost into the incredible sight of nature. This was one of those times when we get so engrossed looking around that we forget our worries. We forget who we are. We only realize how fortunate we are to see and experience the wonders of nature. We realize that we are such an insignificant part of this enormous universe that God has created. And then we wonder, what exactly are we striving for every day? Isn't relaxation or peace of mind our ultimate goal? When we see the roadways narrowing and diminishing far away beyond the mountains, it's like मंजिल तो अभी दूर है बॉस, फिलहाल रास्ते का मजा लेते हैं. Our life is not very different, is it? If peace of mind is the ultimate destination, our life is actually a journey. There's no point in just craving for the ultimate goal and missing out on this beautiful journey called life. The astounding expanse of natural beauty at such places, the unimaginable natural diversity we encounter, the pleasant surprises that we keep getting on our way, all this takes us way beyond ourselves and our lives. And how much ever we try to capture everything in photographs, videos, and memories, the moments that we actually spend there, those feelings, that experience is beyond compare. And you know what the amusing part is? We might go on a very long drive, we might go on an outing, maybe a small weekend getaway. And in all this, we may get very exhausted by the time we return. And yet, we are happy. Tired, yes. But along with the tiredness is a feeling of having done something worthwhile. We can sleep peacefully that night with a refreshed mind prepared for the work week ahead. And most of the times, the journey is what matters the most, है ना? हम तो निकले थे मंजिल पाने, हम तो निकले थे मंजिल पाने, मगर रास्तों से रिश्ता गहरा हो गया.